ready, Mama.
My first Smart Pad library.
Wow.
Ano ito? Kanina somebody's talking.
What will you say to Tita Sarah, Kale?
Oh no.
Kale.
Thank you, Tita Sarah. How do I open this one? Oh no.
Wow.
May nagsasalita ko na, I don't know.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Hindi yata nagsasalita eh. Come here.
Ano yung books yan?
Oo, tapos, princess. Oh, ganda.
Wow. You have new books. You have so many books, Kale. Oh, you have new books.
Electronic activity pad and 8-book library. Malika, activity pad.
Ano yan?
Alam mo na, oh.
The Beauty and the Beast.
Ano pag ilan yata, nagsasalita.
Beauty and the Beast.
Dahil, pahingi nga ako ng lobby, dahil. Sabi ko, huwag na kayo magluto.
Ayos mo.
Aalisin natin. Ay, ang ganda naman ito.
Hindi ko yung malabog.
Ito, this is the book. Yes. Magre-read ka na, no? Songs yan, mga songs. Baliktad.
Ay,
Read na.
ay, oh. Phone, I do not know how to operate this one. Ay, ang ganda! Dek!
Two.
Ay, ang galing! Ang galing! Ano ba yung kay ba yan lahat?
No, yung isa sa ilalim kay Connie.